participate in validating or securing the network. No one person, entity, or agency owns it. And this is what we mean when we say blockchains are decentralized. For the first time, blockchains make it possible to subvert the relationship of content ownership. Usually, the person who owns the machine owns the information that lives on it. But because a blockchain is a protocol that can run on many different machines and none of them can control it without permission from all of them, it is the software, the computer program that is truly in control. And the users, the members of the network that participate in creating the value on that network, whether it's a network like Bitcoin that represents financial information, it could be a social media network where we create content together, and all of us who participate in creating it actually get to own the parts of it we create. If I bought the digital copy of a movie in the form of a token, the blockchain would assign ownership of that information to me. And nobody else has the authority to take that information away from me because nobody owns or controls the network. Facebook is terrified of this. Disney is terrified of this. Microsoft is terrified of this because it will challenge their business model, which depends on them owning everything and you owning nothing. Now you, the user, the creator, have a right to own what is truly yours. Blockchains will replace human intermediaries that we rely on, who can be fooled or manipulated, in pretty much any instance where a computer that is impartial and owned by all the members of a network can be trusted to do a job better. Now, this doesn't mean that humans are going to be replaced. It means that humans are going to be freed to trust people that they don't know, to interact, to align their values and coordinate at scale, and most importantly, to reap all the benefits of owning the information that matters to us. So to sum it up, blockchains, cryptocurrency, tokens, these are all the tools of Web3, the next iteration of the internet. You don't need to be a coder or an investor or a high net worth individual to participate in and understand this. Just like you didn't need to know how the internet worked to use Facebook, or you don't need to know how to fix your engine to drive your car to the grocery store. You're already seeing it happen with meme coins, NFTs, decentralized apps, Bitcoin, and this is just the beginning. For your homework, I recommend listening to this conversation on Tetragrammaton, Rick Rubin's podcast with Chris Dixon, one of my teachers. And if you want extra credit, then I recommend getting a copy of Chris's book, Read, Write, Own. It is super clear. It assumes no previous experience. It breaks down all the jargon and is a very thorough companion to this course. The next videos in this playlist are going to iterate information and introduce some key concepts, and then I'm going to show you how you can start participating in these things confidently, safely.